Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Here's what you need to know about travel both tonight and early on Thanksgiving Day. We're going to have to deal with that fog, that mist, and some freezing drizzle in places and slippery roads. That reduced visibility will be the primary concern late tonight, first thing in the morning. Not much in the way of winds to be worried about. And as we take a look at your Thanksgiving Day forecast, the only area of concern for snow will be along the South Dakota border into South Dakota. The vast majority of us will have more clouds, more fog, and wet, if not slippery, roads and sidewalks. That'll be about it. There will be improving conditions as we go into the weekend after our Thanksgiving Day holiday, maybe even a chance at seeing some sunshine. As mentioned, wind, not a problem at all out there across the region, generally under 10 miles per hour, still from the chilly north. And as we take a look at the exiting storm system, any snow that fell today was out near Bemidji and Beltrami County, and out in Hubbard County. We had a few flakes falling in the FM area throughout the day, but by and large, our primary pesky weather thing was that fog, the low clouds, and the reduced visibilities, which, by the way, are dangerously low out there on Interstate 94 to the south and east of the FM area. Travelers toward the cities or St. Cloud will want to allow extra time because we may have some near zero visibilities out there. Under 2 miles in Fargo, under a mile for Grand Forks, Cavalier, and Langdon as well. So that's the trick in our travels tonight. 35 degrees. Dew point temperatures are very close to our air temperatures, and that's why we have that fog forming. And by the way, if temperatures fall down to around 32 degrees, then we would have freezing fog. That's the fog that freezes on your antenna when you're driving around. No fun at all. Make sure your windshield wipers work real well and you have plenty of windshield washer fluid in there. 35 degrees Grand Forks, north wind at 7 miles per hour. Temperatures are freezing out to the east, so any fog forming here in Fergus Falls could be of the freezing variety. Again, make sure the windshield washer fluid is plumb full as you're taking off tonight. Out to the west, we have some areas with freezing temperatures as well. And in these places, our road conditions may get a little slippery as we'll see temperatures falling by the 10 o'clock hour into the upper 20s for some areas. Any wet roads, side streets could become quite slippery into the overnight hours. Hit and miss flurries of snow, areas of dense fog, some freezing fog, drizzle, and flurries out there. As we start our Thanksgiving Day, look at the snow out to the west. As we set it into motion, it drifts along the state border, and that's where the best chance of snow will be, there and south. The rest of us, cloudy, gray skies everywhere. Wind from the northwest won't be too much of a factor, but I do think we'll deal again with the fog, the drizzle, and the periodic flakes, especially in our northern and eastern counties from Lake of the Woods and eastern Roseau County all the way down towards Wadena County. Now, late in the day, it does look like most of that snow will head down toward the Twin Cities and southern Minnesota. If your travels take you there, that's where you have the best chance of running into flaky weather. And oh, by the way, late on our Thanksgiving Day, it becomes quiet. The wind becomes southerly. That's a good sign for milder temperatures. As we close out the work weekend, look at this. Clouds dissipating out in the western Dakotas, a chance for some sunshine for some of us into the weekend, but not for our Thanksgiving Day. A cloudy day, 28 to start. Watch out for slippery sidewalks out there. 35 degrees for your midday hour and temperatures in the mid-30s. Cannot rule out an isolated flurry. Again, a gray, soupy day with more of that low cloud, foggy action across the valley. Especially east and south will be the best chance of any snow of significance, maybe even an inch or two for Sisseton and places down in Brown County as well as Marshall County, Minnesota. Here is a look at a great picture. Kind of icy. It's that time of year again. Lynn, thanks for uploading this to, this is courtesy of Lynn. Lake Melissa, thanks for sharing. Here's a look at your planning forecast, and we promised at least a little sunshine. We should see a gleam or two of that on Friday. Saturday and Sunday, more of the same as we enjoy the 40s out there. That's way above average for this time of the year by about 10 degrees. Our next weather system is showing its signs now. Starting out wet, again, rain mixing with or changing to snow Monday night into Tuesday. Some of us getting measurable snow, so we'll keep our eyes and keep you posted on that.
And shoppers need at least a little sunshine and fair weather on Friday, Black Friday.
There'll be a little sunshine.
Yeah, a little.
And but most of the shoppers go out like midnight on Thursday night.
Oh, sure, yeah.
There's not going to be much sunshine then.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.